Lord, you are not a man that you should lie. When you speak, it is done. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. I have waited through the silence when it felt like you were far, holding on to every promise with a tired, fragile heart. Hoping not you are juju. My heart is full of questions. Lord, will you still come through? But deep inside I hear it. You have never failed before. Even when I cannot see it, I will still believe. Every word you have spoken will not return empty. You are the one who speaks and does every promise you fulfill. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. What you say you do, you never fail, you never change, your word is standing still. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. I trust in you alone. There were nights I almost gave up, when the weight was just too much, but your voice kept calling my name, reminding me of your love. I hold on to your word. Even when I don't understand, if you said it, I believe it. You will do it in my life. Heaven and earth may pass away, but your word remains. You are not a God who changes. You are still the same. You are the one who speaks and does every promise you fulfill. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. You never fail, you never lie, your word will always stand. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. I put my life in your hands. If you said it, it is done. If you spoke it, I receive. No more fear, no more doubt. Lord, I choose to believe. You are faithful to the end. You will finish what you started. I will trust you once again. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. You said it, you said it, you will do it. You said it, you said it, oh yeah, you said it, you will do it. You are the one who speaks and does. Nothing is impossible. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. You are powerful. Every word you have declared is already done. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. Forever you are God. Onye Kwuru Onye Mee. I will trust you, the one who speaks and does